This week, I took two trades on gold. The first setup was on the 5 minute time frame, while the second setup was on the 15 minute time frame. So one of the setup, the one from the 5 minute time frame hit take profit, while the one from the 15 minute time frame hit stop loss. Let me walk you through the trade I took on gold. So the first thing I do is to look at the direction of the market. Where is the trend pushing to? Where is the trend heading to? You can see that the trend was pushing to the upside. It was creating what series of higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. It keeps breaking structure to the upside. So I map out my most recent break of structure. Why? Because this recent break of structure, it has all my confluences intact. It has my impulsive move, fair value gap, and liquidity. So you can see the most recent break of structure to the upside, the fair value gap, and the liquidity. So I waited for price to tap into the demand zone. So after tapping into it, I look for my candlestick confirmation on it, and after getting my candlestick confirmation, I jumped on the trade, and this trade gave me 1 ratio 4.85. So that was a beautiful trade on gold using the 5 minute time frame. So I decided to scalp this week because all the setup from the higher time frame, all the setup I saw on the higher time frame, no one was at the POI yet. So let me show you the one I took on the 15 minute time frame. So this other setup, let me show you the one I took on the 15 minute time frame. The one from the 15 minute time frame hit stop loss of -1 R. So this was the one I took on the 15 minute time frame. So a trade might have all your confluences intact. Let me just delete this first so that you don't get confused. A trade might have all your confluences intact, everything intact, while it might still hit stop loss. Yes, it happens like that. So it doesn't mean that your trade must hit take profit all the time. Even 8 plus setup do its stop loss. So this was the trade I saw on the 15 minute time frame. So the first thing I checked, remember I've already checked the direction of the markets. This was the first setup here, and this was the second setup. So I've already checked the direction of the market. The market was breaking structures to the upside, creating series of higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. So this is the most recent break of structure to the upside. So after this first break of structure, this is the second break of structure to the upside. After market broke this after market has broke structure to the upside, you can see my fair value gap and my liquidity intact. So I map out my demand zone. After mapping out my demand zone, I waited for this place. I set limit order on this trade. So I just set buy limit order on this trade because I trusted this setup so much because the first setup already played out beautifully. Yes, it was an uptrend. It was a trend continuation setup. It has already played out beautifully. So I was not scared to take the second one. So I just placed limit order here. Then, as you can see, the market came in and immediately, like this stop loss was very fast. He just swiped the stop loss, then it did as if he want to push to the upside, then it came back again, took off the stop loss again. Like the first stop loss was, yes, the first time the market came to the zone, it just broke it. Then that was how the trade played out. The stop loss was very, very, very massive. Yes, it has fair value gap liquidity, it has impossible. All my complexes was intact, but sorry, it still hit stop loss. So this shows that even your A plus setup can hit stop loss. That is why risk management is very important. Do not risk all your account on a particular setup. Do not risk all your account on a particular setup. After get 1 ratio 4.85 on this trade, I only risk only 1% on this trade. I got almost 5% on the first trade. So out of the 5%, I risked only 1% on this trade. I did not risk all my full account like some people do. So in order for you to be very profitable, do not risk all your account on one trade. Risk only 1% of your account on every trade. So thank you for watching this video. If you need more content like this, don't forget to follow me up for more um videos like this. Don't also forget to follow me up on YouTube because I'll still be breaking down my strategy, my setup. I'll still be breaking it down from beginners level to advanced level.